the food not ready? Why is it taking so much time? Are you preparing stone?
I'm coming.
You're coming. Are you cooking stone? Mama, I'm sorry. So tell me, how did it go? Tell me you didn't beat up with the woman.
Don't you trust your mother? Don't you trust what your mother can and cannot do? Eh? I gave it to her. Eh?
Be careful before you beat someone to death.
I'll only be teaching them lessons. Those two women,
Mama, food is ready.
So did they say it was your fault?
No. Everybody judged the case in my favor. Yes.
Your favor? Are you serious?
Yes.
Honey, the food is getting cold.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Can't you see I'm having a conversation with my mother? Why are you interrupting?
What warranted this slap? You were the one that was hurrying me to bring this food fast now.
Because he hurried you to prepare the food. That's why you want to hurry us to eat the food. You want to force the food into our throats?
I'm sorry, Mama. It's just that I didn't want the food to get cold.
Are you still talking back at my mother?
No.
Are you talking back at my mother?
I'm sorry. Just the food will not get cold.
If it gets cold, you want it again. That's all you know how to do in this house. Give me children, barren witch. Now sit down, let's talk. When the food gets cold, you'll go and warm it again.
So,
this one is beautiful.
Hey, for the groom's men, babe, I was thinking they would wear suits for the church service, and then during the reception, they'll put on agbada. What do you think? You like?
It's okay, but babe, why are you stressing yourself planning this wedding when you know perfectly well that we can actually pay a wedding planner to help us out?
Babe! Can you stop? Hey, are we going back to this again? We've talked about this before. I don't want anybody to plan my wedding. I'll do the planning myself. Whatever money we are going to give to this wedding planner, we can use it to cover up for something, maybe drink or something. Babe, I don't want us running into debt after this wedding. Please.
Yeah, you have a point there. I'm not trying to upset you. Come here.
The important thing here is that we have a successful wedding.
Exactly.
Free from debt.
Exactly.
No debt at all.
Exactly.
Please.
Come here.
Okay, so...
Mom, I've lost my appetite.
Why?
I don't know. I'd rather just drink water then.
You try and eat something.
Food doesn't smell good. What's this? What kind of meat is this? It's so big.
Where is your plate? I'm asking you, where is your own plate?
Are you deaf? She just asked the question, right?
I am following your instructions. You said I shouldn't talk back at your mother.
Are you out of your mind? The fact that I said don't talk back at my mother doesn't mean you shouldn't answer her question. She just asked you a question, right?
You also instructed that I am not allowed to sit on the same table with both of you, pending when you say otherwise.
You're just a dummy. You're a dummy, a tall one.
Agaracha, come bring spoon. My son, wait, hold on. Go and get your spoon. Cello, wait.
Oh, I know why you want me to eat.
What? Test your food.
I should test the food.
Is my English so difficult for you to understand? Test the food you cooked now. Someone should test the food.
Why are you looking at me? They said taste the food.
Some test the food.
You're looking at me. No, don't taste. Pour it on your head. No, don't taste. Huh? Carry it on your head.
Turn it properly. Don't just eat from one portion. Turn. It mix the food. Yes.
Why are you crying? Mama, this girl is very deceptive in nature. Very manipulative.
This is crocodile tears.
Why are you crying? Did anyone touch you? We just asked you to taste the food.
Keep eating, eat more, eat more, eat more.
Because you likely put poison. You want to kill all of us so that you can take my money.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Taste the meat. Taste the meat, because I don't understand what type of meat this is. It looks big. It's probably human meat or horse meat.
Taste the meat.
Which one should I taste with?
Anyone you like.
Are you sure this is not horse meat?
Anyone you like. It's good to test my son's own, because I know you cannot kill me. You cannot. I'm stronger than you.
Can I go now?
No, you cannot go.
Wait,
Stay.
drink this one.
Give her to
Go
go.
where? Where are you going?
Stay.
Take. Her phone is even ringing. Maybe her boyfriends are calling her.
This. I think I like this one.
Check this one out.
That reminds me. What of that your friend? The one that has issues with his wife?
Which of my friend?
Uzoma, yes. Has it settled?
Oh. Sweetie, I've done everything within my powers to talk to Uzoma, but he's not listening. They are still quarreling. For real.
Babe, what's really the problem? Like, what's causing... I don't understand. What's the
Childbirth issues. Yes.
Childbirth.
Exactly.
I'm sure they've come for medical checkup. So what is the problem?
They are okay. Nothing.
You're trying to say that medically they are fit?
Exactly.
Then they should seek for spiritual help. I mean, since they are physically okay and they're medically okay.
No. Not Uzoma. Not Uzoma.
Babe, they need spiritual help.
Uzoma will not do it. He does not like anything that has to do with a spiritual thing. He believes when the time comes, God will give them a child. Yes.
Really?
I can force him. I've tried talking to him about it, but... So enough of them.
Babe, honestly, since your friend does not believe in spiritual things, he should let his wife be. He should wait for God's time. I don't like the fact that he's...
My dear, I'm doing my best for them. I have already done my best. So enough of them. I'm hungry.
No way.
I am famished. I need to eat something. Huh?
Okay. You want to eat food. So tell me, which of the food? Is it food or...
You know the one I want to eat.
Which?
You actually know the one I want to eat. I want to eat food.
My son. I want us to discuss something.
Okay, go ahead.
I think it's high time you got another woman. This girl you call your wife. She has destroyed her womb with series of abortions.
Mama, you're right. I was actually thinking of getting another woman. So we are on the same page.
That's my son.
Right.
That's my son.
Because I've been doing my best. I've been firing. I've been, performing my conjugal duties, but it looks like her net doesn't catch anything.
The net has torn. Pieces. Can't see more about me, Samara. Haba.
You have every right to be angry at me for not being able to conceive. But I have a proposition. How about we try another doctor? I mean, we've been seeing Dr. Paul for a while now and there's not been any result.
Hey. Yeah? Are you by any chance, or are you indirectly saying that my son is impotent? That he cannot get you pregnant?
No, not at all. That is what I said. I'm only saying that...
What did you say now?
That we should try another doctor. We've been on Paul's medication and consultation for a while and there's no positive results.
Mama, it's okay. Let me just take it from here. So what are you trying to say in essence? You want us to seek a second opinion, right?
Yes.
Because you don't trust me.
No.
Because you know or you are sure that the problem is coming from me.
See what I said.
No, that's what you're saying indirectly. I went to school. I'm educated, for crying out loud. You're speaking English language, right? Huh? So what are you saying? So what do we need a second opinion for? All right, that's fine, Mama. It's okay. Let's welcome the idea. So get ready tomorrow morning. We'll go to another doctor, and guess what? Pray to everything you believe in that the fault is mine. Because if it's not, if I am not the problem, if I am not impotent, like you're indirectly telling me, I'll get another wife.
Mom! No. Enolia, did you hear him? You heard what he said? If the fault is not from my son and it's from you, he will go and marry a fertile woman that will come and scatter grandchildren here for me. With your long legs, but
I can't explain what's going on. What did I do wrong? Was my veins? I'm not gold that gives to drain. Let's give peace a chance. I know someday things will get better.
What have I done? I just hope that my pressure have not landed me more trouble.
What are you saying there? Are you saying something? Are you saying something?
No.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
I thought you were on your way to the kitchen.
Yes.
Go straight to the kitchen where you belong. carry you on my head? Madam, are you expecting me to carry you on my head? Walk fast now. Why you? What's wrong with you? Do I have to beg you again? Huh? Wow, move away now. Somebody has to pass.
Sorry.
What's wrong with you now?
No.
Tell me, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
How did it go?
God has vindicated me. In fact, Mama,
Ezoku.
I have been cleared.
That you're perfect.
The doctor said I am capable of making a woman pregnant.
Oh, Mama. Agu! I know you're perfect.
Can I not be
You are
perfect?
like your father.
Eh?
One shoot, one catch. What about...
Mama, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. She has, the doctor says she has to treat a lot of infection. She's carrying a lot. Infection.
Hey! But you know what? The doctor did not tell you the truth. The major truth is that she has destroyed her womb in series of abortions.
Hey!
That is exactly what is wrong with her. Yes. Speak up! Shut up your mouth. My son, they said there is no long sermon at evening mass.
Of course.
Remember we had an agreement before you went to the hospital that if my son is certified perfect, that I will bring a fertile woman that will bear us children, that will give me grandchildren.
Mama, please, no.
Shut up your mouth! I don't want to ever hear my name in that your cursed mouth. Everything about you is cursed. Listen, from today onward, I don't want you to give my son any food again, ever.
Mama, I was just thinking about the same thing. We actually do think alike.
Of course, you're my son and I'm your mother. That's why we think alike.
Did you hear her?
Because they said the hearts of women are desperately wicked. This one, her own heart. Hey!
You will not cook for me. You will not touch my food. You will not touch my water. You will not enter my kitchen. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do we have an understanding?
You can't.
Good.
Hey! Ilelele. Don't worry. I'm coming back with a fertile woman. That will bear us children. Hey! I know there's nothing good about you. Nothing! You're just here eating my son's money. That's all you are good at. Mukwanu nwa mba. Chalo, don't worry.
Honey, I would like to talk to you. Honey?
Hey, I'm not deaf, okay?
I know you're not deaf, but you would have at least just said something to make me know you're listening.
Listen, Grace, if you have nothing to say, just disappear now.
Actually, I wanted to apologize. I wanted to apologize for coming up with the idea of going to see another doctor. It's not because I do not trust your friend, Dr. Paul. It's just that I wanted us to seek another opinion. You know, we could get a positive result from there. I'm so sorry if it made you feel any kind of way. I just want us to go back to the way things were before. us being very loving, you and I, Mama. Let's just live in peace. Please. Thank you.
My son.
No.
Are you busy?
Not really.
Okay. I just want to let you know that I'll be going back to the village tomorrow morning.
Mama, you should have at least knocked. This is my bedroom.
Hey! Eh? I should knock before I enter my son's room. Eh? My own son. The one I bore in my belly for 9 good months. I gave birth to him. I nurtured him. I trained him and made him what he is today. I should knock before coming into his room.
Mama, it's not...
Says who?
It's not like that. I'm just saying privacy.
Are you stupid? How dare you? Are you stupid? Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry.
Have I not warned you never to speak back at my mother?
I'm sorry because...
Have I not warned you never to speak back at my mother?
I'm sorry.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry.
You don't have respect for my mother?
I'm sorry.
How dare you?
I'm sorry because... I said I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
Try that rubbish again.
It's not her fault though. It's because I'm still allowing her to stay in this house. That's why she have the gut, the mouth to question what I do and what I don't do. Eh? If I push you out of this house, I will know where you have the mouth to question what I do and what I don't do in this house. It's not your fault. Anyways, my son, like I said earlier, I'll be going to the village tomorrow morning. You remember my friend Mama Nkechi?
Hey. Listen, I need to hear my mother, okay? You need to shut up!
You remember Nkechi? The one you both went to same secondary school? The mother called me that she's back. Okay. So I need to go and see her so that I can invite her over. Bring her.
I thought you said she traveled out of the country.
Yes, but she's back.
Okay, that's fine.
You like the arrangement?
Mama, it's okay. I'll come and see you in your room, okay? I'll come to the room shortly. Just give me some time. Yeah.
Oh, my son. Good night, eh?
Yeah, good night.
Your room. Indeed.
Hey, listen to me. If you don't shut your mouth, you're going to get it hot tonight. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Come here. Do you understand me? Don't you talk?
Yes, I do. I'm sorry.
Rubbish. Try that rubbish again. This is my bedroom.
This is your bedroom.
It's your bedroom, really? Did you build this house for me? Huh? Did you build the house for me? Or did you buy it for me? This is your bedroom. You're telling my mother, the woman that gave birth to me, that this is your bedroom. Are you out of your mind? Don't you have sense? And listen, the dishes downstairs, you have to wash them tonight before you go to bed. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? You have to wash the dishes before you go to bed. And you're not sleeping on this bed tonight. Your punishment is you can't sleep close to me. For you to have told my mother that, that she should have knocked before coming into her son's bedroom. Get out. This is my bedroom. The bedroom belongs to me. The one you bought with your money. Or you built this house for me. The bedroom belongs to me.
How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? Depends on much I can bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on much I can bear this anymore.
Uzoma, hurry up, oh! You know I don't like night journey.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama. Honey, good morning. Mama, honey, good morning. Mama, I already served breakfast. You know you can't live on an empty stomach. Come in and eat, oh?
Nah, Emana walilezi wamusu. Walilezi wamusu. Oh, you think you can kill me? You want to poison me with your food? So that it will look as if I had an accident and died on the road. Okay? Listen, let me tell you something. I am bigger than you, both physically and spiritually. You cannot do anything to me. The only person I'm afraid of is my innocent son. Mana, you can't do anything to him because
Johnny Mercy, Mama.
Johnny Mercy boy about. Johnny Mercy boy. Nah, let's go. No. Remember what I told you last night. On no account should you collect anything from this girl. This witch you call a wife. Don't take anything from her at all.
Of course.
Biko.
Of course.
You know she's like a wounded lion now. She's looking for slightest opportunity to strike. So please, Zeya, avoid her in all areas.
No problem.
But besides, what is she still doing in your house? Let her leave now.
Mama. Let her stay. You know why? You know I don't have help. I don't have any house help here. So let her fill in that space.
Okay.
She needs to work to pay me back.
Okay.
Yes. Besides, I have spent a lot of money on her family. Do you understand me? So she needs to work hard. And guess what? I don't want the bride price I paid on her head to go to waste.
Ago. Omeka Bam. Ijie. Hey!
So let her work. Because I've paid a lot of money. I've spent a lot of money on her family.
Let her stay and
so let her wash all the plates. No,
let's go. So. Mado. Hey, where?
I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can breathe. I can breathe. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I'm in pain.
Just give me my own child. My own child. Even if it's just one. Just one. This is too much. It's too much. Dr. Paul, I don't even know where to begin from. But if I tell you that I am happy in my marriage, I'll be a big liar. Dr. Paul, I am suffering and I am dying slowly. This man beats me blue black. He beats me all the time. Sometimes I just begin to ask myself, where did I go wrong? I am a good wife to my husband, I promise. I don't know what to do. The more I talk to him, it gets worse by the day.
Grace, it's okay. That's fine. I understand. I know what you're going through. Okay? I will advise you to hang in there. Everything will be fine. You know, sometimes I do ask myself, why did Uzo change?
I ask myself the same question every day.
I'll talk to him.
Please. Help me talk to him. Things are getting out of hand. Oh. Let him not kill me one day.
I'll talk to him. I will. At least he'll stop beating you.
Okay.
At least he'll stop hitting you.
Okay. I really appreciate that.
It's okay.
I have to go now before he comes back and realize I'm not around. It will be more trouble for me. Please, thank you. Thank you.
Put yourself together.
Okay. Thank you.
So.
Hold on. Yeah.
Wow, man.
What's up, bro?
You didn't go to work today?
Just go back.
Are you serious?
How you doing?
I'm cool.
Please have a seat.
You're welcome, Mr. Paul.
Oh, Mrs. Uzo, how are you?
I am fine.
So what's up?
What can I help you?
Man, nothing.
Oh.
Okay.
Please. There you go.
My man. So, Uzo, I need you to come check my solar. It's no longer lasting. I don't know what is wrong with it.
I'll get someone to check it, to look at it.
Oh.
That's why I'm here.
Here we go. Fruits.
Oh,
Hey, what's this?
thank you.
Fruits.
Who asked you to make this? Did he tell you he wanted some fruits? Did he tell you he wanted fruits?
No. I just did it.
Okay. You're here to poison me, right?
Hey, Uso.
You made this so I can eat and die.
Hey, Uzo, you're speaking to your woman in this manner?
Take this rubbish out. Are you crazy? Take it out of here.
Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. He's joking.
Who's joking?
Why would she poison you? What are you saying?
Who's joking?
Are you serious right now? What is wrong with you? Hey, I need to go. We need to go outside and talk. I need to talk to you. What has come over you? Uzo, what is going on? What has come over you? Uzo, initially you told me how much you love this girl. How much you are going to protect her. How much you're going to respect her. How you will never let any harm come to her. How you will never hurt her. But right now, Uzo, you are doing the opposite. You're the one hurting her. Yes!
Paul. It's a long story, but the truth is, she's very annoying. She is very, very annoying, trust me.
How? I don't understand. The same person you did everything within your powers to make your wife. I know how you suffered. You went extra mile just to make this woman your wife. Look, there's this thing I am trying to gulp down, but it's very difficult. What do you mean by you want to get another wife?
No, that's because I'm African, am I not?
And so what?
I mean, I have the right to marry as many wives as I want. As many wives as possible.
What is actually going on? I don't know what is actually wrong with you. Also, do you remember you almost had issues with me when I went against the matrimony? Do you remember?
Paul, let's say I was blind, but now I can clearly see.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
You were blind, and now you can see.
Absolutely.
Look, I want to know, is it because of childlessness? Or is there anything you're not telling me? Don't even bring your mother into this, because I know your mother and I am sure she supported this union.
Paul, can we talk about something else, please? Did you watch the match yesterday?
So this is not important to you. I am ranting, right?
Oh, Jesus Christ, man.
I am not making sense. Huh?
Paul.
Look, I don't know what has come over you. But do not, in your entire life, lay your hands on your woman again. Do not. I beg you, do not.
Paul, can I see you off?
Babe.
Hey, darling. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome. Welcome.
How are you? You smell good.
Thank you. And you look stressed. What happened? You came back late today. Did you have an emergency?
Nah, not emergency. I had to branch to Uzo's place.
Okay.
His wife came to the office again to complain about Uzo.
Again?
Yes.
These two are still fighting. They've not settled.
I don't know what is wrong with Uzo. They are still fighting. I don't
Babe,
know.
I'm sorry, but I need to ask. Is it just child issues, like childbirth issues, or there is more to this? Because I'm not getting it. What is really going on? Like, what is the problem?
Exactly the question I asked him. He didn't give me any reasonable answer. Yes. I don't know.
Baby, in all honesty, this is very worrisome. A part of me feels like meeting Uzo's wife and then talk things out with her. Maybe she can talk to me woman to woman and tell me what the problem really is. Because I can't believe it is just childbirth issue that is bringing issues between herself and her husband. I mean, let me just talk to her. That's if you permit it.
Yeah, you have a point there. I'll get back to you on that. But enough of them. What did you cook? I am famished. I'll tell you something.
Well, I made your favorite. Beans and rice with banga stew.
Nah, you don't made it.
Of course, I did.
You don't made it. Let me quickly freshen up.
Okay.
I can't wait to devour it. Let's go.
Baby, after you, let's go. Let's go.
Yo!
Oh my goodness.
Honestly, I am tired. I am tired of this marriage. I am exhausted. I am not the only woman on earth who is childless that I will not have peace in my home. Your friend is going to kill me. He gets angry at everything I do. Anything at all, he just starts beating me. At this point, if he wants to marry another woman, he is free to go ahead and marry whoever he wants to. He should just let me be, please. The beating is too much. I am someone's child too. I don't know.
So Uzo still continued after he made a promise to me to change and become a better person.
He actually became worse. It's getting worse by the days. You have to talk to your friend. If he continues like this, I do not know what I will do. I don't know what I will do. I don't know what is this.
No.
beaten.
It's fine.
Look at my face.
It's okay. It's fine. Don't go do anything stupid that will complicate your problem. I'll talk to him. I will talk to him intensively this time around. First of all, I'll need to prescribe some medication to ease your pain. Please.
It's just too much.
Stop crying, Grace, please.
It's too much. Stop crying.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
What's up? You're welcome.
You said you wanted to see me urgently.
Yeah, exactly. How was it?
Everything okay?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Also, you know, a man is known for keeping his words. So why are you not keeping yours?
How do you mean?
Your wife came to my office to complain to me again. But this time around, she complained bitterly. At a point, she started crying in my office. What is the matter with you? What changed you, Uzo? What is the matter with you? Why the sudden change?
Paul, it's a long story. And besides, marriage is different. But it's a long story.
Nah, Uzo, unlike you. This is unlike you. I don't like the way you're treating this woman. I don't like it because you and I know that the problem is from you. And at this point, my conscience is beginning to judge me.
Paul, like I said, marriage is different. It comes with all kinds of challenges. But when you sit here and tell me your conscience is beginning to judge you, are you trying to tell me, or are you trying to insinuate that you're backing out? You're no longer with me? Is that what you're saying indirectly?
Also, I don't know what to think now, but I need you to stop maltreating your wife. You better stop. Watch it. Also, if you don't stop, I am not going to watch your back any longer.
Paul, this is my cross. Let me carry it, okay?
Your cross?
Yeah.
The same cross you lured me into. Really?
I think someone is at the door.
Hi, babe.
Oh, sweetheart.
Mr. Uzuma.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? How's
Fine.
everything?
Fine. Is everything okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
We're just
well,
having a
well,
conversation.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Aha, that reminds me. Mr. Uzuma.
Yeah.
You don't want me to meet with your wife. It's unfair, oh.
That's not true. I have offered severally, but your fiance keeps delaying, so I don't know why. Whenever it's ready, I'm ready.
Babe. Okay, so I'll be looking forward to meeting her very soon.
You will.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be inside.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Bye.
Was you hurt me? You better stop.
Paul, remember, no one should hear of this. No one should hear of everything I told you.
I am not promising you.
What secret are they talking about? Secret. Paul. Paul.
Oh, hey. Where is the remote to this television?
I wouldn't know. So, babe.
Huh?
What secret are you two keeping? Yourself and Uzoma. What are you hiding?
No, it's nothing serious. You don't need to worry about it. Yeah?
Nothing serious. But your faces said otherwise the moment I got in here. I mean, you two were looking troubled. Like you were discussing something very important. Don't you think?
I just said it's nothing serious. Don't bother yourself about it. Just that I gave him a business and he messed it up for me.
A business?
Yeah.
So what do you intend doing about the business he messed up?
So that you know how business is. Sometimes you lose and sometimes you win. He's a friend. I can do anything.
Indeed. Alright, that's by the way. So tell me, how did your day go?
Fantastic.
Grace! Grace! Bring your stupid self down here.
Honey, you're welcome. Why are you shouting? Huh?
Jesus! How dare you? Huh?
How dare me what? Eh?
You've been going around town telling people how bad I am to you, right? So you're trying to convince people that I'm a bad person.
I didn't complain to people. I only complained to your friend,
My
Paul.
friend. As what? As my father, my mother, someone who feeds me?
Your friend.
Is that it?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Try it again. Try it again!
My heart is bleeding. I'm in pain. Shattered. How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? There's so much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue.
I told them back I would do. That's it! That's it! That's a finished work. Hey, what is it?
Babe, Babe, honestly, I'm not okay. I'm not fine.
What's the problem? What is it?
What is going on between you and Uzoma?
Oh.
What are you two hiding? What is the secret you're hiding?
I told you it's nothing to worry about. We've talked about it.
Paul, you know we are entering into another stage of our relationship.
I know now.
And believe me, to be a wrong thing to build the foundation of this relationship on lies and keeping secrets. You know it. Remember, we promised each other that there will be no lies. Lies will be far from this relationship.
Okay. I'll tell you. Alright? Promise me you'll keep it to yourself.
Paul, I can't promise anything. Especially when it has to do with human life. I can't do that. And if you decide not to tell me, either ways, I'll find out.
Okay. Uzo is the cause of their childlessness. I assisted medically. Yes.
You did what? Uzoma did what? You did what? Paul! Uzoma is the cause of their childlessness. And everybody is blaming the wife, including himself? What sort of wickedness is this? I'm asking you!
Sweetie, I was only trying to help a friend. I didn't know this thing will result to this.
You didn't know what? What are you saying? This is ridiculous. You didn't know what?
Can you bring down your voice?
Oh God, I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you right now. Where's your sense of reasoning? Where is your common sense? That you're going to risk your license of how many years? Just because you want to please your friend. Where is it done? I don't understand. Like, you didn't think? You didn't think about this before you did what you did. You didn't think about it. Paul, do you know that this singular act can send you to prison for life? Like it can put you behind bars, take your license away from you. What am I even saying? Paul, how will you do such a thing? Oh, maybe you don't know the implication of manipulating result as a medical doctor. I can't even believe that a man that I hold so dear to my heart would involve himself in such a mess.
I know, and that is the reason I was trying to get Uzo to tell his wife everything. Open up to your wife. He wouldn't listen to me.
Just take a look at what you're saying. Look at the rubbish you're spilling out. You know, you were trying to tell Uzo. How will you involve yourself in such a mess? Didn't you think? Did you think of the implication, your career? You didn't think about all these things. You didn't think about it. Maybe you don't even know the implication of what you've done. You think this is a child's play? Yeah? We're playing here. Just take a look at what you are saying. Didn't you think? Are you not a man? Honey. Didn't you think of the implication, your career, your life? You didn't. How would you allow yourself to be used like that?
Honey, I thought about all of this. Yes, I did. But he convinced me. He gave me reasons and I believed him. I followed. I'm a fool.
Just take a look at the rubbish that you're spilling from your mouth.
It's fine.
But just take a look at your life. You think we're playing here?
It's fine.
You think it's child's play? You don't know that your career is at stake. What if you run out of luck? Did you think about that? You know the luck you two have? The luck you have is that I don't know Uzoma's wife. Hey, believe me, because if I had known her, I would have been spilling immediately. Listen carefully. Whether or not I know Uzoma's wife, the truth must come to light. I give you 1 week. Paul! If you don't tell her what she needs to know, I will look for her myself, I will locate her house, and I will tell her everything she needs to know. Rubbish!
Sweetheart.
You're unbelievable! Don't even touch me!
How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? Depends on how much I can bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on how much I can bear this anymore. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, yeah, mama. Oh, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, yeah, mama. Oh, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in
Ozo, where are you? Yes, we need to talk right now. It's very important, please. It's very urgent, Ozo. We need to talk. Yes. Damn it.
Paul, what is it?
She's aware of what is going on.
Aware? Who?
My fiancé is aware of your marriage.
But Paul, what the hell are you talking about? It was supposed to be a secret between us, right? Why did you tell her?
I did not tell her. She overheard our conversation the other day.
Our conversation?
Yes.
But come on, we didn't talk for long. How did she know about the details?
Because honestly, I don't like what this your marriage issue is turning into. I do not like it. I am tired. Yes. My fiancé threatened to look for your wife and tell her we're hiding something from her. She gave us 1 week. A week!
Tell your fiancé or whatever she calls herself to stay away from my family. To stay away from my wife. I warn you.
Do you know you're the cause of all this problem?
How do you mean?
Your love for Grace died all of a sudden. And you started maltreating that innocent lady. Taking sides with your mother instead of standing by her. Protecting her, if not for anything, but for making you who you are.
And so what?
What if she made me who I am today? How's that your business?
Because I am not here to banter words with you. Deal with your problems.
Paul, for the last time, tell your fiancé to stay away from my wife. I won't say this again.
Also, don't spoil things for me. Deal with your problems.
I know every African parent will be worried over childlessness. But the ill treatment they are melting on me is going beyond childlessness. My husband and my mother-in-law doesn't joke with me before. What is going on now?
Mama, you don't have to do this. She's my wife. I want to cook for her. Besides, I haven't resumed work.
Uzom, she is my daughter-in-law, and I want to give her welcome treat. A surprise welcome treat. You know that kind of sauce I used to make for you with yam?
Mama, listen to me. Okay, let me help. Let me just hold.
Don't worry. What you should do now is to go and stay with her.
Okay. I can see that I am the bone of contention.
Grace!
Good morning, ma.
You are awake.
Honey, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So,
What's going
breakfast in bed was supposed to be a surprise, but Mama ruined everything.
You ruined mine too. I wanted to give her breakfast in bed too. As my daughter-in-law, give her my delicacy. That yam and green sauce I used to make for you.
Mama, I want to cook for my wife.
Let me cook for my daughter-in-law.
Okay, calm down, both of you. Thank you for wanting to surprise me. I really appreciate it.
That's okay.
But it is my duty to take care of my husband. I mean, cook for him and my very beautiful mother-in-law. So please, if you both don't mind, excuse me, I will do the cooking and I will serve you.
Okay, because I am a supportive husband, I'll just help you slice.
I know, don't help me.
Okay.
Should I help you and slice the
Mama,
vegetable?
it's okay.
Okay, let me.
No, I don't need help. People should leave my
cut the
kitchen.
onions.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Let me slice the yam. Alright. Okay, Mama.
Mama.
Bye.
If I'm the one that asks you to come and cook now, you will not cook. Oh.
Mama,
Now you want
go
to
and
slice
make
yam,
your
want to
son.
slice everything. My
Don't
dear,
worry,
I trust you.
I will do
I
it.
know you prepare the delicacy for us.
You people are fighting for me. I got this. Uzoma, I know that I have not been able to give you a child. But at least for the sake of the love we shared, you should have at least stood by me and defended me from your mother. Or was the love just because of what I did for you? Uzoma! Uzoma! Come here!
Grace!
Uzoma!
Grace! How are you?
I am fine!
I don't have to ask you how you have been because I know you're... Look at you. You're looking very good. Life has been good to you.
God has been really good to me. And then where I served, amazing place. They are into solar panel distribution.
Okay.
Business is good.
My sister, after service, I've not been able to get anything. I don't know. Sometimes I get tired of life.
You don't have to.
I don't know.
Well, would you like to do business? I don't know if it's your thing.
Business?
Yes.
Why not?
Hey. Yeah, if
As long as you can pay my bill.
Why not? Business is good. If you don't mind doing it, then I can introduce you to the company where I serve. You learn the business, how it's done, and then I will sign for them to give you some goods. If you sell, come back again. Like that, you can, pick up.
Just like that?
Yes.
You shorty me to get goods from your company.
100%. I've done it for people that are not even close to me, let alone you, Zoma. Why not?
Grace, why are you doing this for me?
Why am I doing this for you? Why am I even doing this for you? Okay, you're not interested.
No, I don't mean that now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Thank you.
Okay. God, please help me so the storm will be over. Please.
Grace. Grace Suba.
Yes.
You can't recognize me. This is Evelyn. Oh my god. Evelyn, yes, Evelyn! Oh my god. Evelyn, this is you. Oh Jesus, where have you been? Oh my, I can't believe this.
No way. What are you even doing here?
My fiance is the MD of this place.
Dr. Paul is your fiancé?
Yes, he is. No way!
He is my family doctor. I came to see him.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
Sweetheart, look at you. I miss
I know. Evelyn, the warrior. Girl, this life, my dear. I don't even know. This life, I'm just so here and there. Family problem. I don't even know the one that is doing me now.
Oh my goodness, I just feel like eating you right now. You know what? Just give me your number. I have an appointment.
Of course.
I have an appointment to
Call me.
Grace!
I know, sweetheart life.
My goodness. I'll call you. We'll talk, okay?
Okay.
All right, my love.
Expecting your
Definitely, I'll call you.
Evelyn, the warrior.
My baby girl.
So, Grace, relax your mind, okay? Everything is going to be fine this time around. You will enjoy your marriage.
Thank you so much, Dr. Paul. You are so nice. You're like that big brother that I don't have.
Oh,
Thank you for
You're
your
welcome.
support, both medically and otherwise. By the way, I met your fiancé on my way in.
Oh, really?
Yes,
You met Evelyn?
I did. As a matter of fact, we are best friends from back in the day. Yes, we went to the same secondary school. We even went to the same jam lesson. Only that she got admission into another school and we lost contact.
Yeah. That's wonderful.
Yes, you are a lucky man to have her, I must say.
Really?
Yes,
Why did you say so?
a lot of reasons. If I start telling you about Evelyn today, we will not live here. Evelyn is respectful, she's kind, she's a very good cook. I'm very sure you know that one.
Exactly.
And above all, she never condones injustice. Back then, she's a tough one.
Yeah,
She is.
yeah, I know it.
Yeah. Alright, my regards to her.
All right, run along. I am glad you're happy today.
Hello? Hey Paul, what's up? What? I'm driving? To your office? Like right now? Okay. Alright, see you shortly. Yeah, bye.
Oh my goodness. Nurse, sorry, the MD, is this still in?
Yes, but he's with someone.
Someone? A patient?
No, not really.
Oh, okay. I actually forgot something and it's very urgent. It's important. I need to get it.
Okay,
Thank
come
you.
in.
Mhm.
Also, I need you to tell your wife by yourself. My fiancé and your wife are best friends. They know each other. And from what your wife said about my fiancé, that she does not support injustice. Which means when she finds out that her friend is your wife, she will not hesitate to tell her everything. You need to hasten it up.
Hi, babe.
Oh, sweetheart, you came back.
Oh, yes. I forgot the paper I was supposed to give to my client.
Oh.
So I was on holiday.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Yeah, thank you.
So how's the wedding plans going?
Do you want to know? Fine, I'll tell you. The wedding plan is shaky because of you, Mr. Uzoma. I want to give you and my fiance the benefit of doubt to do the right thing. Because whatever decision you two make determines if this marriage is going to hold or not. Plus, I just found out that you have been the one maltreating my friend all this while. Wow. Amazing. Wow. You know, aside from being my friend, I will still do this for any other person. Do you know why? Because she is a fellow girl like myself. I'm warning you. Don't you ever lay your hands on my friend again. Don't do it. Because if you do, you are not going to like it one bit. Do have a look at the Mr. Rosanna. Bye, babe.
Also, I warned you, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Initially, I didn't want to get myself involved in a couple's affair. I mean, a couple's fight. Because you know how these married people do. They will settle with you. I didn't want to go in forcefully. But the matter is becoming interesting because this has to do with my friend. And honestly, I can't leave her now. I am going to stand by her and fight this fight because if I were to be in her shoes, she would do the same thing for me.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the stupid role I played in this whole issue.
Oh, please! Please, don't even try to justify the rubbish that you did. Don't try it. You know what you're supposed to do? You are supposed to bury your head in shame and not raise it for any reason whatsoever. And please, don't even look at it like I'm disrespecting you. No, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm not disrespecting you. I'm just giving you what you deserve.
Can you at least...
Oh, please, let me finish. I'm still talking.
Down.
For somebody that did something like that, you're not even supposed to talk. I said you should bury your head in shame. Let me make this thing clear to you. This matter involves my friend. I'm going to see to the end of it. Oh yes! I am going to see to the end of it. And I don't care who gets hurt in the process. All I know is that nobody will get peace. You will not have peace. Uzoma will not have peace. Nobody will have peace until my friend have peace. I don't care who gets hurt. Oh yes! I will do what I'm supposed to do. Excuse me. Oh.
How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? Depends on much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on much I can't bear this anymore. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe.
This is just a reminder for you to know that I'm not joking. Believe me, I am very serious. Because my friend will not suffer for something she doesn't know anything about.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Uzoma. I'm calling to tell you that today is Wednesday and that you have 4 more days to do the needful.
Listen, hold on. So I'm a bit confused here. Why have you chosen to stress yourself over someone else's headache? And who are you to interfere in my marriage?
You know, whatever thing you and my fiancé did that is causing Grace sleepless night is totally unfair. You know that, right? I am all out for her. I am really all out to fight for her. I did not call you to banter words with you like a market woman. No. I just want you to do the needful. And believe me, don't even think of coming for me, because if you do, that will be you digging your own grave. Do have a nice day, sir.
Hello? Hello? This is insane.
Hello, Ozo. I told you that I will call you back once I'm done with work. I am working right now, please.
Paul, listen to me. Tell your fiancé, yeah? To mind her business. She should stay away from my family, please.
Look, Ozo, say whatever you want to say, but don't you bring up threats against my woman. What is wrong with you? If you had listened to me, we wouldn't be here talking about this.
I am not threatening you. It is not a threat. Just speak to your fiancé. Tell her to stay away from my wife.
It's none of my business. Just don't bring in my fiancé into this. Please. Please.
Just do what I asked you to do. Thank you.
Uzo, you know, a thought came to me as I was driving to this place.
A thought? What's that?
Yes. I mean, since you're finding it difficult to open up to your wife and tell her what happened before you two got married, so I think you should consider a divorce. Yes.
That's a good idea. I mean, at the end of the day, she wouldn't find out, right?
At least this whole drama will stop. But still, I'm trying to figure out the reason you changed. What changed you? You used to love this girl in question. You were ready to do anything for her.
Life happened.
Who's up?
Divorce her? I don't understand. Divorce her on what ground? No, make it make sense to me. Why will someone wants to divorce his wife? I don't understand. Hold on. Is it that Uzoma is impotent? That he cannot impregnate a woman or what? I don't understand it. Make it make sense to me. What are the basis of their divorce?
For Grace to have peace and rest of mind. Yes.
Peace and rest of mind. John Paul, you want them divorced so Grace will have peace and rest of mind. From where? A woman who does not know why a man who once loved her changed overnight is a woman you expect to have peace? Where would the peace come from? She does not know the reason why her husband changed and you want her to have peace of mind. I don't understand. You want people to look at her as the bad person. You want her to divorce her husband so people will think that she's the reason why the marriage did not hold. You want people to see her as a bad person, to see her as I don't understand. Tell me, where's the peace of mind in this? No, don't even come close. Just stay there. Don't come close. Where's the peace of mind?
Can you listen to me?
Listen to what do you want to say?
Sweetie, some secrets are better left untold. Okay? Grace will be totally disappointed at me because she's been confiding in me all these years. Yes. She don't need to know. Please. And besides, my license is at stake. Yes. Do you want me to lose my job, babe?
Really?
I needed to see reasons.
Amazing. This is beautiful. I love it. Oh, don't you dare. Don't even come close. Oh! You never thought of this before you did what you did with your friend. You never thought of your license? You never thought of how you were going to mess up your life and your career? Before you did what you did with your friend? Listen and listen very clear. You have to tell Grace the truth. She needs to know. Alright? And when she knows the truth, you two can ask for her forgiveness. That is the right thing to do. Believe me. Can you just go back? Don't come close.
That's fine.
Thank you. John Paul, it's not like I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm not assuring you of anything. I am not promising you anything, but I will try to think about it.
Babe.
No. No. I can't allow Grace to suffer such wickedness from the hands of her husband, knowing fully well that he is the cause of their childlessness. Paul and Uzoma, since you don't want to expose yourselves, I'll help you do it.
Hello?
Hey, please don't mention my name. Grace, just calm down. Don't mention my name. Is your husband there?
My husband is not around and he's not coming back anytime soon.
Oh, thank goodness. Please, I'm coming over to your place right away. There's something that is important I want us to discuss.
Evelyn, is everything okay?
No, don't worry. Everything is fine. Until I come, okay?
Okay. See you. Okay.
Uzo, this is not funny anymore. You need to tell your wife. Yes.
Paul, why are you stressing over this matter? I've told you time and time again that I would tell her at the right time.
When is your right time? That's what I want to know. Do you think my fiancée is joking? No, she's not. She threatened to call off the wedding if we don't do the needful. Besides, the ill treatment on Grace is out of hand. It is.
Paul, listen, you don't understand, right? I have gone too far. Turning back at this point is almost impossible.
Uzo, I advise you to talk and get this out of your chest. Uzo, I give you two options. It's either you talk to your wife or you stop maltreating her. I am not playing. If this your family issues affect my marriage with Evelyn, it's your word against mine and I am not playing about it. Your word against mine. Just leave. Get out of my office. Just leave. You're too stubborn for my liking. Leave.
Grace, you have to make a move for your own safety. This guy doesn't love you anymore. Look, I doubt if he ever loved you.
Evelyn, why are you sounding this way? Is there something you're not telling me?
That is what I am saying. I'm trying to tell you. Grace, you are not the only person that has childlessness issues. Alright? I don't know why they are making you look like you're the devil or it is your fault. Is it until you die? That is when you walk out of this marriage?
Evelyn, it's not as easy as you think. Please. I have actually thought of leaving this marriage 1,000 times, but I am scared. My mother-in-law, she sees me as God that gives children. My husband, who is supposed to stand by my side, is making things worse. My life is a living hell.
Grace, can you calm down? You have to stop thinking. You have to make a decision for yourself. This is not the time to think and come up with something. You know, gone are the days where you just want to sit and then enslave yourself all in the name of marriage. If the marriage is not working, you walk out. Yes, that is what you should do. Listen, if you die, your husband will go out there, get married to another woman, and life goes on. Yes.
Thank you for opening my eyes.
It's okay, Chris. You're my sister after all. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Alright? Chris, there is something I want to reveal to you.
What is it?
There is a battle going on between me, your husband, and my fiancé. And it has something to do with your predicament.
What?
Relax.
What could it be? Huh?
Chris, I'll tell you what it is, but you have to promise me that you will leave this marriage afterwards. Please.
Grace, what are you doing there? And how dare you bring a stranger into my house? Have you gone mad? And what did you discuss with her? What did you discuss with her? I'm talking to you!
There! Let today be the first and last time you would ever raise your hands on me again. I should die. Huh? I should die for you and your mother because I married you, Zoma. I have had it up to here. I am tired of your maltreatment. I am tired of your wickedness. I am tired of everything. You know what? I am going upstairs to pack my things because I am done with this marriage. Here is it. Choke on it. And whenever you see that lady, thank her for opening my eyes. Better run for my life before they kill me in the name of marriage.
Hello, Zoma. What is it?
Your fiancé just left my house right now. I don't know what's going on, but we need to find out if she told my wife anything.
Uzo, this is the right time for you to tell your wife everything. Don't tell me to ask my wife what she discussed with your woman.
Listen, my wife just reacted very strangely to me. She has never done that before. Yes, we need to find out if your fiancé told my wife something.
Remember you said it's your cross. Yes, now carry your cross. Deal with it. Also, I have my own problem. I have a lot happening in my own home.
Paul, listen. Hello, Paul. Listen, wait, listen. We need to find... Hello? Paul! Grace, where are you going?
Where are you going? Listen, you have to let me explain.
Osama, I just have one question for you.
Yes.
Ever since you got married to me, have I ever disobeyed you?
No, you haven't.
Have I ever reminded you of the fact that I contributed to the man that you are today?
Yes, you did.
What do I get for all the submission I've given you as your wife? What do I get for being so submissive, for being a good wife? Oh, I forgot. Beating.
No.
You beat me every day on every slightest provocation. Do you want to kill me?
It's not me. It's the devil.
You know what?
He's the devil. Listen, you have to let me explain. Just can you just let me explain, please? Just relax. I'm sorry. I apologize for everything. I'm sorry. Hold on. Listen, you just have to understand that I can explain. Please. I know you. Hold on. See,
Don't
let me go down on my knees.
Where we at?
Come on. How are you? Come inside. This is your soon-to-be husband's house.
Okay. He has a nice place.
Yes.
This place is very fine.
Very soon, you'll be living here. Yeah? And you'll give me plenty of children that will be running around everywhere. Come inside.
I will leave this back. Okay, you can have... Uzoma,
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Uzoma,
don't touch me.
what is happening here? Why are you kneeling down before this witch?
Mama, stop it. She's not a witch. This is my wife.
Hey!
Stand.
Eh?
My wife. My wife is not a witch. You need to stop.
Chimo. Uzoma, what happened to you? What has she given you to eat?
Do you know
in my
what?
absence?
Stop it.
Your mother has brought a wife for you. So both of you should enjoy it, but you will definitely hear from me.
I don't know who she is. Listen to me. Please.
Stop begging her. Allow her to go.
Mama, it is my
Now
fault.
go!
Mama,
Pack
stop
your
it.
things and leave.
It's not my fault.
Excuse me. What is your fault? Huh?
Babe. It's my fault that we don't have a child.
Ewo. Chimo. Ose. What? Nah. Are you impotent?
Mama, I'm not impotent.
Ebe.
That's not important.
Uzoma, what are you talking about?
Our genotype. It all started when we wanted to get married.
Thank you.
So have the nurse taken your blood samples?
Yes, but I don't think we can wait for the result.
Yeah.
However, either of us would come to pick it up when it's ready.
No problem. Once the test is ready, I'll give you a call.
That's all right. That's good.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you, man.
Mama.
Thank you, bro. So we go?
You haven't told him.
Told me what?
Oh! So my fiance and I were talking, and she suggested, and I obliged, that you be the best man at the wedding.
Am I supposed to jump up about it? Yeah? Am I supposed to jump up? I am your best man. If I'm not, who will?
You're happy now?
Yes.
All right, so thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hello? Hi, Paul.
Uzo, is your woman there with you?
Is it ready?
Your result is out, and I need you to come to the office alone. We need to talk about it.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon. All right. Thank you.
Oh, good. I'm waiting.
Hey, babe. I am so sorry for keeping you waiting.
That's okay. That's all right. But I just got a call from a client. I need to meet with him as soon as possible.
Okay. In that case, I'll just take a cab.
A cab? Is that convenient for you?
There is nothing wrong with a cab.
I know, but I'm just making sure it's convenient.
It's okay.
You sure?
Just go meet up with your client.
All right.
Okay?
So when I'm done with my client, I'll pick up the result from the doctor.
All right. That's fine.
All right.
Okay. So.
Love you.
I love you, baby.
Oh. Uzo, sorry to keep you waiting. I needed to attend to an emergency quickly.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So, what does the result say?
Every other test is okay except your genotype.
Genotype?
Yes.
How do you mean? Can you explain?
Yes. You and your woman are both AS genotype, and medically you cannot marry. Because the chances of giving birth to a sickle cell child is very high. So I decided to tell you before. Grace. I'm so sorry about this. I know how you feel. I know you love your woman so much, but you need to put it together.
Paul, I think I need a favor.
Which is?
Please, do not disclose this to anyone until you hear from me.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You and your woman are both AS genotype, and medically you cannot marry.
Oga,
Sorry.
you want jam me?
I'm so sorry.
You don't be sorry.
Please, I'm sorry.
Your father.
I'm sorry.
Your mama. No tell me again, no.
I'm sorry. God, I can't let her go. I love her so much. What do I do? What type of problem is this?
Honey? Are you okay?
Yeah.
No.
I'll be fine.
You don't look fine. What is it? Huh? You can tell me.
I lost the contract.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hey, come here. Oh my God. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I understand how you must feel now. Considering the wedding by the corner, the bills, But don't worry. Everything will be fine, okay? God will make a way.
Yeah, sure.
So, were you able to get the test?
No. So he said he had an emergency and he would let me know when it's ready. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Why don't we go inside? You will freshen up and I'll make you something fresh to eat. Okay? It's okay. You alright?
No, Uzo. I will not advise you to take such risk. I know you love her, but...
Paul, you don't understand. I love her so much, I'll do anything to keep her.
Then if you love her as you claim, let her go. Yes. Also, I think it's better to bear the hurt now than facing the problem of marriage or sickle cell child problem. Let her go.
I'd rather have her. I'd rather do anything to keep her than have a child.
Than have a child?
Yes.
Are you serious right now? No, so tell me, what is the joy of marriage if you can have children running around you?
Oh, come on. You talk like you're from the Stone Age. You talk like you're not a doctor. I can adopt a child. People do that.
Adoption?
Yeah.
You want to consider adoption when both of you can have children of your own? Look, Uzo. They say love is blind. Not when the problem of marriage hits you. Think. I want you to think of the journey you are about to embark on. Think.
Babe.
Hmm?
You're not sleeping.
No, I'm not. So I decided to stare at your beautiful face before I go to sleep.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
You need to sleep, baby. Come on.
It's okay. Get some sleep. I'll just watch over you. Okay?
Okay.
Uzo, you're insisting that you want to get married to this woman after knowing the consequences, after knowing what is at stake. How do you want to do it? When she must have seen the result, how do you want to convince her?
Well, she's not going to see the result, and no one's going to tell her about it.
No, it's not possible. How?
That's why I need your favor. I need you to help.
Help you to do what?
Manipulate the result. I want mine to come out as AA.
No. No, Uzo, I can't do it.
Please, you have to do it. Because I love her so much.
Nah. Uzo, this is not love. This is madness.
Listen, if you were in my shoes, you're going to do the same.
No. No.
Paul, you have to help me. I know you're going to do it because you're my friend.
No, Uzo, this is too much. Let's assume you get married to this woman, one way or the other. How do you prevent her from getting pregnant and bearing you a sickle cell child?
I won't let her get pregnant.
I don't understand. Will you be using protection or something?
Can you just let me handle that part? Okay? Leave that to me. I know what to do. But just do your own part, please.
No, I'm not doing any part.
Listen.
No.
Paul, you have to do this for me. Alright? I'm counting on you as a friend. You have to do this for me.
Uzo, this is too much. Uzo, I'm not promising you anything. I'm not.
I know you can do it for me. What are friends for?
Uzo,
I need your help, please. You need to help me. I'm your friend, bro. You need to help me.
Uzo, this road you're treading on is a very bad one. Uzo, can't you see this thing you're asking me to do is a risk to my profession?
Listen, I told you I am going to handle it. Just do your part. Okay? Just do your part.
So tell me, how do you intend to prevent her from getting pregnant? Tell me.
Listen, I have my plans, okay? I'm going to take some pills. That way, I can't make her pregnant, especially when she's ovulating. Alright? Listen, I love this girl. I want to marry her. I have to be very honest. She's the reason why I'm here today. Okay, I can't let her go. I love her so much and I want her in my life. I would rather adopt a child than lose her. Oh, you have to understand and do this for me, please.
Uzo, love is never enough. That's what I need you to understand. Okay, let me ask you. Do you want to marry this woman because she helped you? Or you want to marry her because you love her? Tell me the truth.
I want to marry her because I love her. And at the same time, I don't want to lose her. Do you understand me? I'd rather adopt a child than let her go.
So listen to me. That someone helped you does not mean you owe the person your life. Yes. Do you know if she didn't help you, your savior would have sent someone else to help you? You must not die for her because she helped you. See reasons with me, Uzo. See reasons with me.
Listen to me. Are you going to help me or not?
I hope you know what you're doing,
Listen,
brother.
just do what you have to do, and I'll do what I have to do. Okay? What are friends for?
It's not easy. It's not easy as you think. So, Paul, what if tomorrow a problem comes out of face? How do you intend to handle it?
Don't get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
It's not easy.
Oh my God. I have been suffering for something I am innocent of. This is wickedness.
I loved you so much, I couldn't let you go.
You know what? I'm not cut out for all this family drama.
The second test we did, that means you also went to meet the doctor.
Dr. Phillips, I'll be coming to your hospital today to run some tests. Some fertility tests. Now I need your help. When the result comes out, whether or not it is good, I want you to say it is good. Give me a good result. That's the favor I need from you.
I don't understand. Are you asking me to manipulate the results?
Yes.
Sorry, I can't do that.
Dr. Felix, everything in life has a price. Just name your price.
Hey! Uzoma. Uzoma. So, all this while, you have been the cause of your predicament. And I was busy maltreating an innocent girl. Uzoma.
It was all from a place of
Don't
love.
you say the word love because you do not even know what it means. How can you say you love me yet you punished me, you enslaved me, you treated me with so much wickedness? You mean you are the devil yourself?
Grace, I swear to you, I love you with all my heart, but I don't know what came over me. Something took over my entire life. I can't explain why I acted the way I did. I can't explain why I did all of that to you. That's not me. You're a liar. It looks like I was under a spell.
As of that, I caused it. Yes.
You caused what?
I did something.
You did something. What did you do, Mama? Mama, what did you do?
It was when children were not forthcoming.
Okay.
Mama, I know you're very hungry. I'm so sorry. Let me put in more speed. Food will soon be ready. Oh.
You think that is what is bothering me now?
What is bothering you, Mama?
My daughter, what is happening?
I don't understand.
You've been married to my son for some years now. Yet there is no cry of a baby in this house. Children should be running around everywhere. Is it that the blade is not sharp? Or the barber does not know how to barb? Which one is the problem?
Mama, please. There's no barber in this kitchen, okay? This is not a barber shop. Stop stressing my wife. I've told you, children will come at the right time, at God's time. Okay? Please. Okay?
All I have to do is show my wife love. Encourage her. That's all I have to do.
Mama, do not worry. I'll give you a grandchild. I'll give you grandchildren even. Lots of grandchildren. I promise you.
It's okay. Alright. We're fine. Okay. Mama, why are you staring at me like that?
If there's any problem, you should tell me.
Mama, there's no problem. There's no problem. It's okay, babe. Don't mind that, alright? Yeah. It's alright. It's okay. Alright, nice.
I love you. They are just less concerned. And it's been years now that my son got married. No child. Not even miscarriage. What do I call this one? The annoying part of it is that my son that is supposed to react, to be worried, or do something, is busy doing, I love my wife. When it's God's time, God will remember us. They will have children. I need to act from the look of things. Things has to be done. I'm sure she has bewitched my son.
Mama?
My son.
Mama?
Are you going out?
Yes, I didn't know you were here.
Yes.
I am taking my wife out. I want to take her to a few places so we can have some fun.
Oh,
yes.
Really? But this fun you want to go and have with your wife would have been sweeter if you both were going with your children.
Oh. Mama.
The fun would have been better. It would have been more fun.
Mama, are we still on this? Are we still having this conversation? I thought we were done talking about it. Huh?
There's something I would like to discuss with you when you come back. Yes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Ben, let me remove something from your hair.
Okay.
ready.
Ready. Alright. Let's go.
Are you okay?
I just have a slight headache.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Mama, you wanted to talk to me about something, right?
Yes.
Now? I thought we were going out.
You said?
I said, I thought we were going out. Do you have to have the conversation we had now?
Sorry, are you talking to me or you're talking to my mother?
I am just telling you that we were on our way out.
Grace, that's very disrespectful. How dare you? No, seriously. Like, are you saying I can't talk to my mother anytime I want to talk to her?
No.
Or she can't talk to me anytime she wants to talk to me?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that we're on our way out. Then when we get
I'm so
back,
freaking what? This is my mother and she said she wants to talk to me. What business of yours is it?
Baby, you're raising your voice.
I'm raising my voice? Is that what you're saying? Were you not raised well? What the hell is wrong with you? Listen, I can't see your mother and ask stupid questions like that. So you don't want my mother to talk to me?
No.
You don't want my mother to talk to me. Okay. You're stopping my mother from talking to me.
It's fine, you can...
You know what? I changed my mind. Mama? You know what? I'm done.
What?
Listen, I said I'm done.
You can go and come.
Mama, no. I changed my mind. Okay? You're very stupid. You're senseless.
I'm senseless.
What's up, man?
Mama.
I thought she charmed you. That's why you are not bothered about your childlessness.
Mama, what the hell are you saying?
I cannot breathe. I need to go out. Excuse me.
Mama.
Uzoma, if you dare touch me, do not! Don't you! Don't you dare come close to me! Don't touch me because I will not be responsible for what I will do to you. Just move away. Excuse me! Don't touch me!
Please, breathe. Please, breathe.
Can we start again?
Uzo!
Can we start all over again, please? Please.
Excuse me!
Wait.
Hey,
Grace.
Uzoma!
Please.
Uzoma,
please.
If you do not let me go, I promise you, I will kill you and I will kill myself. Let go of me! I'd rather die than stay.
Depends on much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on much I can't bear this anymore.
Hello? Where are you, please? Okay.
Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this.
You're happy, aren't you? You see what you have caused? I was a happy man. I was happily married to Grace before you came and destroyed something beautiful. I told you, God's time is the best. But your impatience destroyed what I had with Grace. Aren't you happy?
will you shut that thing you come out up before I shut it for you? How dare you blame your stupidity on me in the name of love? Huh? If you had listened to Dr. Paul, what happened today wouldn't have happened. Eh? You love. Nonsense.
Mama, you know nothing about love. If you do, you wouldn't sit down here to defend yourself.
You see, children of these days, you people don't even understand what love is all about. But you're busy thinking, I love you, without knowing the meaning of it. Love is letting go when it's no longer convenient, or when something or someone will get hurt in the process. Uzoma, you know you did not marry Grace out of love. You married her because of the help she rendered to you. Yes. So, my son, man up and face the reality. It's staring in your face. Let me go give him 9. Yes, I did what I did because you were not paying attention concerning you not having children. Do you expect me to sit, fold my hands, and watch you live childless? Live all your life childless? Mban. I
want to be left alone. Shut the door on your way out.
I should shut the door. Me, in my son's house. Nobody will chase me away from my son's house. Nobody. I'm in my son's house.
Depends on much I can bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on much I can bear this anymore. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe.
Babe. Where? You didn't tell me you'll be leaving today.
John Paul, please, can you let me pass? Please. Can you just let me go?
Sweetie, I know I am wrong. What I did was wrong. Look, I am not proud of it. I messed up big time. Please, can we sit and talk about it, please? Please.
No, just give me a reason why I should sit and listen to you.
Because I was wrong. What I did is condemnable. I am not proud of it. Sweetheart, I can't afford to lose a beautiful-hearted, virtuous woman like you. Honey, you stood up for what is right, not minding who is involved. And that makes you special. Please, listen to me.
Fine. I'm listening to you. Can you just, do you want to injure me?
Sweetheart. Honey, I'm sorry. All I want to say is that I am sorry. You need to forgive me. Please. Let's start afresh. Let's build this relationship with honesty, transparency, trust, and sincerity. Please. Look, I promise I will never, ever in my life engage in such acts again. It's a promise. Please, darling. I'm sorry.
Honestly, Paul, I am not against what you did for your friend. I mean, he's your friend, your best friend. Anyone will want to do something to please their friend. But that is not the right thing to do. We should learn to do things because it is right. We shouldn't do things because we want to please somebody else, not minding who is involved. We are supposed to do things justly.
Sweetie,
Pleasing your friend and making someone else feel hurt is wrong.
I know.
I mean, you might decide to please your friend and at the end of the day, you will land yourself and your friend into trouble. It doesn't make sense.
I know. I think I've learned my lessons. And I'm deeply sorry. Sweetheart, I'm proud of you. I am so proud of you for standing up for the truth. For doing what I was finding very difficult to do.
Paul, you.
Grace.
You did this to me, Paul, you.
Grace, calm down.
Ah.
Look, I know you are offended. You are hurt. Grace, you have every right to be mad at me. I betrayed your trust. Yes, I am sorry.
You know, you just made me understand the adage that says, when a man is looking for something for you, and he has that thing with him, you will never find it. Paul, I took you as my big brother. I love you so much. I come crying to you, bearing my heart to you, and you keep consoling me, telling me things will be fine, and you knew in your heart that it will never be fine. Why?
I am sorry, Grace. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. I am deeply sorry. Please.
You know what? I only came here to see your face and tell you to your face that you should expect my revenge. Thank you, Evelyn. Excuse me.
Please.
John, just let her go. I'll talk to her myself.
I want to start by saying a very big thank you to my friend here, Evelyn. You are more than a sister, for supporting me and helping me. Else I would have still been here suffering for something I am innocent of. Thank you so much, Evelyn. Mama.
Yes, my daughter.
Uzo. Mr. Paul. From the depth of my heart, I have truly forgiven you all.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. But this marriage will no longer continue. Yes. Uzoma, you are free to marry any woman of your choice, okay? I have moved on with my life. That is all I have come to say. Some distance! Uzoma.
Chris, please. I'm sorry for everything.
Don't touch me.
Please,
Look,
I'm
I have
sorry.
not come here to speak for so long, alright? I am done here.
Please.
Excuse me.
be fine. Okay?
Chris, tell me, what is next for you? I mean, where are you headed?
To a place where I will heal completely.
Sweetheart, I really do understand you. Believe me. But please, I do not want you to give up on relationship or marriage. I mean, look at you. You're so full of life. You're energetic. I don't want you to keep sulking or wallowing in your past marriage that did not work. I want you to pick up the remains of yourself and do something profitable with it. My love, you have to let go. Let go so you can heal completely.
You are indeed a friend and a sister, and I love you so much. Thank you.
I love you so much too.
You're gonna make me cry.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, again, my wedding is around the corner. Please do not be absent. Don't forget.
I will be there.
I trust you. Come here.
I love you, Mrs. Evelyn Chukwemeka.
And I love you too, Mr. Jompo Chukwemeka, my darling husband.
I mean, I love you with everything in me. My queen. The only queen I've crowned right in my heart. Come here.
Also, after a series of tests on you, I am sorry you will not be able to get a woman pregnant anymore. Yes, because of the medications you've been taking. It has damaged your reproductive organs. So, you will not be able to get a woman pregnant. It's not actually the end of the world. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello? Mama, listen, I'm not in the mood right now, okay?
Good afternoon, sir. This is not your mother. It's a passerby that picked up her phone.
Sorry, you said what?
She was involved in a motor accident.
Jesus! Who?
She died.
What?
I'm so sorry, sir. You need to come to St. John's Hospital to identify her body.
Hello?
Mama, why leave me now? Oh my God!
Someone miss me.
My love.
How are you?
My king. My lord. Thank you for always being here.
Thank you, my queen.
Did you feel that?
Ooh.
Oh, my God.
Someone's calling.
That's my sister. Hello, my sister from another mother.
Oh, Grace baby, I'm fine. I'm doing very well.
Oh, the children are fine. Yes, he's fine too.
I'm here. I'm fine.
How is your husband?
Yeah, good.
Oh, that is great. Well, I called you earlier to invite you for my baby shower that is coming up this weekend.
Baby shower? Hey, this is the fourth one, oh. Madam, you need to take it easy, oh. Calm down. The economy of this country, hey, is something else.
Let me just tell you, this is baby number 4. I'm still going to have another one to be baby number 5.
Maybe 6. Maybe 6.
Did you hear him?
I will let my husband know, and definitely I must come for the baby shower.
Alright.
And please say me well to your husband.
Sure, she heard you.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Alright, my love. Have a nice day. Bye.
See you.
Your sister is a handful.
I know.
Woo, still kicking.
I know.
Well, I wonder what you're going to give birth to. A boxer.
I don't even want to know.
Okay.
I just want the baby to come sooner.
So, shall we head home?
Yes.
So, let me take you and her home. Shall we? Don't worry. Leave it. I'll take it.
Okay.
Let's go. Easy. 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 Shall we?
Okay.
I know how we used to be, but right now I can't explain what's going on. The love we shared together, loving each other, cherish and care for one another, 'cause that's the promise you made to me.